we have in and around the planet and in and around on you know, universally, like a grid work of light, and everything is delegated and orchestrated by that grid of light. So around the planet we call it the global grid matrix, and so it consists of crystalline properties of light, of prana, and the planet is built on the grid, right? And we are built through that as well. So the grid basically orchestrates everything. And so our ability to tap into our multidimensional selves, our ability to birth our divinity and to go through the ascension process to bring our higher self into our physical body, to activate our gifts and talents, all of it is delegated via the grid, and to do with your ability to tap into the deeper dimensions of the grid to pull up what you need to pull up and bring through into your energy system. Because ultimately, in that recoding process, all it really is infusions of light. That's ultimately what we're doing. And you get to a point of infusions of light that it starts to absolutely crystallize, and you get to a point of actually anchoring and embodying Christ consciousness. You know, now it's going to take most of humanity about 1,000 years to get to that point. And when we talk about Christ consciousness, I'm not talking as a religious level, I'm talking about an energy, a frequency. I'm talking about the total embodiment of unconditional love and compassion. It's right down at the cellular level. That's kind of where we're going.